Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my TokMate review video, free video showing how this lazy secret plus TikTok is making me 6 figures a month. The exact process of how you can do this instantly sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me prove it to you right now. TokMate is an AI-driven TikTok content growth platform that empowers users to drive niche-specific, highly targeted, and organic traffic to their profiles or fan pages entirely free. It leverages viral content discovery, one-click reposting, and powerful scheduling tools to send your TikTok fan pages viral, without you needing to do the heavy lifting. With TokMate, you can easily scale your audience, boost engagement, and monetize your traffic, and all without needing to spend a cent on ads. Step 1. Discover the most viral content in seconds. Find the most viral content in seconds in any niche by searching any keyword, niche, hashtag, account, or niche to see all content ever posted in seconds. Step 2. Find viral content to go viral again. Let TokMate segment the best content, customize it with your caption, hashtags, or edits, then post or schedule to your account with one click. It's that simple. Step 3. Sit back, go viral, watch the traffic come in. TokMate use cases in detail: affiliate marketers, digital marketing agencies, influencers and content creators, e-commerce store owners, consultants and coaches, small business owners. It's that simple. What's gone viral before will go viral again. By working with TikTok's unique algorithm, we've built TokMate to not only create viral, highly engaged accounts from scratch, but the most powerful organic traffic source for your business you've ever used. Forget about ads. Forget about spending hours trying to figure out what works. TokMate takes the guesswork out and puts results in. So friends, if you want to buy this product, please check this video description.